Hey guys, it's Gina. I'm here to tell you today about a gift my sister gave me. It is the Hootie. And what does the Hootie do? The Hootie sounds very loud. I think it's 130 decibels siren and a flashing light. If you're in case of, an emergency, if you're out and about and someone's making you nervous, you can pull this thing and set it off. I really prefer attaching it to my purse, but it could be on a belt loop, a backpack, on, the crossbody strap of your purse. You could put it on your keys, many different places. I could even see having a couple of these. What I like is it takes 2 pounds of force to sound the alarm. When you pull this out, and I'm going to test it here in just a minute, but when you pull this out, it's not like something you're going to accidentally do, right? It takes 2 pounds of pressure or force to get this thing open. And then it sounds the alarm and this strobe light goes off. Now, if you want to silence it, you just push the pin back in. So I'm going to try it really quick. Let's see just how loud. Yeah, that'll get your attention. Wow. Definitely get one of these for yourself. Get one for all of your girlfriends. Get one for your mother, your daughters, even your sons. Anybody could use this. Never can be too safe out there. So highly, highly recommended. Again, it's called the Hootie. If you're going to buy this, I would get yourself multiples and again, hand them out to everyone you love.